A cicada is almost like a person being in an astronaut suit or a suit of armor, and so I think they don't have a whole lot of ability and agility. But notice that there's one leg that it can turn backward to try to free itself from me, the captor. I found this cicada, cicada. I found this cicada in the street. One of my friends on the corner cut down his oak trees, and so I think when this came out of the ground, there was a big surprise because there was nowhere to go. And so we're going to take it and put it by an oak tree here at the school and give it a home. But we're going to look at it first under the dissecting microscope. So let's go like this. There we go. Well, it's trying to right itself. Head, thorax, abdomen. It does have 6 legs like an insect, doesn't it? And it has antenna and compound eyes, even though I don't really think it can see much. I doubt it. Oh, it's got water on it or something. Oh, that's kind of scary looking, isn't it? Check out the mud on the back of the head as this cicada came out of the ground and drug a lot of dirt with it. Trying to see if we can roll it a little bit and look at it. See if I can roll it on its back. It won't want to stay there for long.
That's kind of cool.
It's saying, stop, let me go. Let me go. I wonder what that hump in the middle is. Hey, wait, there's a proboscis. Look at that big, long proboscis. Can you see that?
Oh, cool.
And there's a big hump in the middle. Do you see that? That right there?
Is that like a reproductive gland?
I do not know. There's the ventral aspect of the abdomen. And lots of mud on the abdomen. Oh, I see it kind of expand and contract the abdomen. I wonder if that's kind of a breathing, tracheal breathing strategy. This is your new home. We'll come back later to check. We think the birds got it, perhaps. It's nowhere to be seen.